Good morning, Wolfpack. Thanks for joining me. This is CS Trades 101. Cameron Simpson. I'm not a broker or financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. How's everybody doing this morning? AMC, we are sitting at 13. Here, I'll put on a better chart here for you guys. AMC is sitting at $13.95. We're another 4 minutes until market opens. It is pre-post market. Would be pre-market $2 or 2.15%. We were sitting at $14.25. Not bad for the night. I kind of had a feeling it was going to go down a bit. There's a lot of people, a lot of the hedges. I got some killer news we're going to go over in a little bit. I found a newspaper article that came out about a half an hour ago on Ortex. So we'll get into that in a minute here. I just wanted to go through the chart here. So anyways, let's jump on over here. I'm just going to check some stuff out here before we get started here, before the market opens. Okay, so get that hooked up. Sweet. Cool. Oh, start throwing everything around here. So how's everybody's night? How's everybody doing? Drop me a chat. I'll hook up the chat bar here on this other computer here. And videos. Almost done here. Live. There we go. Linked up now. Ready to go. Wow, there we go. Okay. Dude. Okay, so can you guys all hear me clearly? Let's get on. Well, let's see if all the software is working today. Like yesterday, we had issues. Sorry about that, but we'll try to be more diligent on that. Thanks for sending me a message out, though. Warning: bitrate problems. Okay, I'm already having problems here, so we're gonna continue. No worries. If the stream drops, can you guys just send me a chat right away? We're gonna keep on pushing forward here. I'm not going to let this try to take me down. So if you start noticing frame glitching issues, just message me. And what I'll do is try to fix it. Because I'm just getting a warning from YouTube that we're having a frame rate problem. Whatever. AMC comes first. I'm not going to shut it down just for that. Okay? So, market opens in 1 minute, guys. We're sitting at $14.33 right now. Okay, perfect. There we go. I'll stop fiddling around here. Sorry, it's so much technology. Okay, so today what we got to get through is this range right here at $15 and touchy. About 5 cents, I think it is. 15.05. I think that's the line of resistance for, 15.03. So that's what we got to get through today. That would be our first accomplishment when market opens in about 15 seconds. Let's take this pivot point off here for now. I'm just actually going to go to a multi-chart because we got a lot of stocks that we're going to cover. On the multi-chart today, we have some Doge. There's a lot of people that are into that. Okay, market just opened here. What do we got happening here? Blow that back up. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oh, wow. There's a ton of volume coming in here. Wow. Really good. Okay, we're bouncing about 2% right now, $14.25. I have a feeling we're gonna do all right today. Just let these, what's happening on all the trading platforms are dumping their stocks from overnight that are stockpiled right now. So we'll let it takes about about an hour for the market to even out, I find. Can everybody hear me correctly? Does somebody want to drop me a chat? Make sure this is, we got a good feed here. I'm gonna try to change that bit rating. Here, just give me a second here. the stream drops, just log back on. It probably won't. $14.18. Okay. Buffer bit rate. Yeah, we'll try that. We'll try that. See what YouTube thinks of that one. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit better. We'll see. Anyways, sorry about that. Loud and clear. Thanks, brother. Okay, we are sitting at $13, $14. We're bouncing. Look at the volume just coming in. Some wave action on the order book. Right on, right on. Okay. We're already traded 18.70 million shares already. We've only been open for 2 minutes. Wow, man, this is crazy stuff. We're gonna just tank right over top of yesterday. Now, this what had happened was there's some news that came out, and their AMC is totally doing good in the news. They're calling it the Reddit hype again. So I don't care what they call it. It got on the news hour. That's all that matters, right? So we got some coverage. That's the problem with this. Oh, okay. Let's jump. We got a lot of people online here right now. Okay, guys, let's get into the news. We can always watch this off the side screen. Okay, I'll just do the last reader. $14.20. We are in the green, 1.83%. Okay, we're gonna do some news. This is what is driving the stock up this morning and holding instead of tanking. We're used to it opening up and it collapsing. Okay, it's been happening like that for months. This is, I think, the 6th or 7th day green. That's crazy good. Okay, so let's jump on over here. Okay, I'm just going to pull that down here. Okay, so, wrong one. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's go through here. I'm just going to make sure you guys got the same screen. You got the same screen as me. We're good. Okay, so this is from Ortex. Okay, GameStop, AMC, same thing. Sitting on nearly 1 billion loss on Ortex. Not for us. That's kind of a weird title there. Okay, so this is 2 hours ago. Okay, investors are estimated to have lost $9.30 million in short positions on AMC. I told you we are bankrupting these bastards in 5 days. 5 days. Woo! Yeah! This is huge for us. This is so frigging huge. Okay, sorry, I'll settle down. Okay, in 5 days. Data, financial statistics from Ortex firm showed on Tuesday. Okay, shares in GameStop, which was the heart of the so-called stonk Reddit trading platform mania earlier this year, have risen by a third in the last week. So GameStop, I showed they run in tandem, like right beside each other. Okay, usually shares in AMC is up 39%. Good one, guys. That's the retail investors. That's us. That's the people. That's everybody. Wolves, ducks, apes, whatever you want to call it. We're all one group. That's us. We owe it to ours. You should be patting ourselves on the back right now. Yesterday alone, short sellers lost over $2 million in both of these stocks, in each one. That's not just between the two. That's each. Okay. Ortex shows GameStop 13% higher, 180.6, the highest level since April. Yeah, AMC and GME, right on. We're getting it, guys. We are getting it. Okay, that's pretty much it. There's a little bit of stuff on Canopy growth. It is what it is. They just did a good year. Okay, we're gonna concentrate on this today. We're not gonna be bouncing around. We can look up different stocks and stuff. So let's just get this off the screen. Back on to some action. Okay, well, we are gone. We are in the red now. Don't worry, it's not good. It's not that bad. Okay, it's because these trading platforms are almost done dumping. Okay, we're just bouncing in between right now. And like I explained before, this stuff goes up and down. Okay, it's a stock. It's normal. Message held for review. JJ, what are you doing up there? What are you throwing on there? Okay, we're gonna show it because I don't let YouTube block my stuff. Okay, what do you got going on there? Dude. Right on, brother. Right on. Yeah, they would block you for that. That's getting a little spammy there, bro. But it's all good. I just unlocked it. Okay, it was just held for a moderator to the bot held it from YouTube. So, anyways, we are back into the green again. We're at $14.03, 4 cents. We're just bouncing. We're at 0.81. We are going back up. So, they are trying everything they can. And I'm going to put this on. I got this here. Let's put this back on here. I was doing a little bit of homework through the night. I've been up since about 2 in the morning a.m. doing a little bit of homework for you guys. Checking some numbers out. But look at that. Look at the bounce on that, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm just going to do a scan of my portfolio here. BlackBerry is at $10.19. I'm open. It went down actually a bit. It's at 0.39 in the red. And it did. Okay, we had a little bit of a project from yesterday that we were looking at, and I wanted to see if that stock went down. What was it? Where was it? Which one was that? Oh. Microvision's at $15.31 right now, 0.26 in the green. In the green. Okay, that's good because there's some people that own that stock there, have stake in that. That's part of the wolf pack here, and I like to see everybody. There's no ill feelings towards stock. We're all traders. Like, it is what it is, right? Okay, see, I was right. This is the one right here that we were watching yesterday. Remember, it had that huge buy, and it was like 50 some odd percent. And I was like, whoa, guys, if it was me, I would not invest. Just take a break. Let this thing cool down overnight. Look what happens. See, I've been stung so many times buying stocks on a rip. Okay. The only one I would recommend on a rip, and I'd wait for it to dip during the days, is Entertainment Holdings. Okay. AMC. Okay, I would still buy it in the green because you might not have a choice, but right now is the time to buy. Like, right? You were sitting at only 0.86. So this ticker symbol is SNMP, Involve Transition Infrastructure. Okay, we were just watching this, and I wanted to show how you can literally screw yourself around on the stock market. Okay, so I hope nobody bought this. That's up to you. I can't control that, but that's why we covered it, and I wanted to have a look at this. See, look at this. It was a very, very good run yesterday. Okay, right? But it doesn't last forever. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, we're going to jump over to Sundial right now. Okay, Sundial's doing pretty good today. We're at 0.7829, and we're positive. We're in 3.56 in the green. Does anybody want to drop me a chat, and you can I can cover whatever you want. If you guys have a stock and you want me analysis on it, a quick analysis, I don't mind doing that. Okay, but we are going to jump over to back to AMC because we are up again. We're back into the 3%. I knew that was going to happen. It's normal, guys. It's normal, Wolfpack. Here, I just need some coffee here. So hopefully everybody had a good night. I didn't get that much sleep. Excuse me. Look at this. Nice little buy-in. Okay, let's see these numbers here. Let's have a check here. How many shares there? Ooh, look at 2,161,000. That's nice. Nice. And then another 1.5 million right beside it. And here we go. Hey, I got to check this here. Oh, we just passed our target. We just passed our line of resistance. We're right on the line right now. Come on. I think it was, what was it again? 14. What was that line again? Yeah, we're over it. We just passed it. We just passed the first line of resistance. Okay, we smashed through that like nothing too. That didn't take long. That didn't take long at all. Look at that. They're just fighting, eh? Yeah, there's major people losing money right now. This is crazy stuff. Crazy stuff, guys. Yeah, sorry about the glasses. My eyes are starting to burn from watching these monitors for so long, right? Because I got 3 monitors, 4. That's 2 cell phones in front of me and 2 monitors and a laptop. And we're working on the 65-inch TV. I already got it sitting over there. I can, I'll show you guys in probably about a week. I'll have it installed just so we got live news above us, right? You gotta keep an eye on the news, guys, if you want to be successful traders. Okay. I usually get up in the morning. Here, we're at 4% now. We have awesome, man. Keep on banging off that 1450. Way above the VWAP. VWAP is at 14. Yeah, we got a lot of good volume coming in here. I'm just going to pull these off because it's hard to read for some people. Okay, so our volume is at 35 million. 35.5 million. So far, we've only been in 11 minutes. Very impressive. Very impressive. And we've already turned over 7.90% already. We're doing way better than yesterday. This could be a very successful day. I think I'm breaking even right now on one of our trading accounts. The one that had 1435, I think it was. We're just touching it right now. That one has 800 and some odd shares in it. It was nice because it was down to, what was it down to? I spent 15 grand, I think I spent. And I was down to like 3 or 4 grand left in there. That was US dollars too. So pretty deceiving, pretty depressive, right? But I knew that this was going to do this. Okay. It's going to be a bumpy road still, guys. This isn't going to be just all like fun and games here, right? It's going to be a little bit of emotions attached to this. Okay. Just you try not to get upset over it, right? It's trading. You're trading. You're supposed to push your emotions aside. I know it's really easy to get attached to this stuff, especially when it's a quality of life attached to this, right? Okay, so bless everybody. Vivi, what's up? Vendetta, what's up, brother? 4 a.m. You've been up since 4 a.m. too? Yeah, I was watching actually a buddy's channel. He launches a little bit. I'm not going to mention his name because he hasn't gave me permission. I didn't even ask him to. I don't like to broadcast people's names without asking them first. But yeah, I was watching his channel there. You guys might even know him. But anyways, watching his channel. He's on a little bit earlier than me. Yeah. But yeah, he was just covering pretty much the same stuff as we are. Okay, BlackBerry is actually going up a bit here. We're going to jump over to BB here. I'm going to put this on the multi-chart here. Okay, so we got BlackBerry. This is another good stock. Okay, they had some news, some good news the other day. What were they doing again? It's some more security stuff with the government of Canada. They signed some more contracts. I think that's what's driving the stock up today. And we had a pretty big buy-in here. 1.51 million is a lot for BlackBerry. Okay, this is a Canadian stock. Okay, they're into cybersecurity, big time. They are going, well, they have partners with our government partnerships with a whole bunch of stuff, and yeah, it's going to be crazy, man. You're going to be seeing BlackBerry machines cruising around with nobody in them in the next 5 years with Volvo. It's going to be crazy stuff. I don't think they'll be around people because there's probably still be in beta for like 5 years. Just because if somebody gets killed, it could take the whole business down, right? So thanks for everybody that joined us here today. Reading charts and news. Yeah, that's what I do, VV. Yeah, I do the same thing. That's why we're going to get the TV up here in front of us here. Then I might be able to, I'm going to get one of those boxes that you can click. A couple of the traders have them. So you can, yeah, I know BB's doing good. That's why I'm watching it. It's doing really good. That's from that news last night. Okay, what's AMC? AMC's still, we're down 0.50%. Is it okay with the 4 screens? Is it okay? Because I have big monitors in front of me, and I know it's all crunched into this one platform. Can you guys see that all right? I don't know, whoever, maybe somebody on a smartphone and then somebody on a computer, just give me a thumbs up and just tell me what you're using. Just, I'm curious to see if you can actually see those split screens, or do you want me to stick to the one screen? Because this is all about you guys, okay? This is all about the Wolf Pack. I'm just broadcasting this for you. Okay, look at GME. GME is now at, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? I'm just going to blow this up. I'm going blind here, guys. I'm going blind. That's why I got my glasses on today, man. I gotta stop spending so much time on this stuff. Yeah, they had a bit of a sell-off this morning. We're down. We took a bit of a tank. 5.47 in the minus. We're down to $172. Just looking at the sale chart. But we got more volume coming in for buying than selling. So I don't know. Maybe that just needs a ways to work itself out. That could be from people night trading, right? All that stuff coming in. Okay. Dogecoin is at 0.4842 and it is down 1.60. I did buy some of it yesterday. I'm watching, I bought some of it yesterday, not that much. I just experimented. It was only like $25. It's just that I'm very leery, and I don't, all the money I just got paid yesterday. So I'm going to put more money on AMC, especially when it goes down. If it stays at this, by after lunch, I'll be purchasing more and adding. I won't be doubling down. I won't be putting another 1,000 shares in like that. No, I'm just going to be adding. Okay. Because the terminology doubling down means doubling your pot, right? I'm not going to be putting another 900 shares in there. It's a little bit too much money for now, because I have myself set up that that if this, when it squeezes, it should substantially make a lot of money for us, right? I know you guys are all in the same category. Wow. Thanks for joining us. A lot of viewers are on today. We've got multiple platforms here too. Twitten. Look at that go, eh? She's just holding. So we got, the hedgies are just shitting their pantses right now. Like, just totally. It's like, now they're on the news, so now they're on the spotlight. Like, they were trying to keep this hush-hush. Knowing how many firms have gone bankrupt and you only heard like a one or two, I knew there was 20% of them that have gone under. Like, and it's because nobody will insure them anymore. They're a risk. It's volatile. Their businesses are volatile. Like, right? They're not, they need insurance to back these platforms and stuff. Okay, a little small to see on my screen, on my iPhone. Okay, buddy. So if it does bother you guys on your phones, tell me and I'll switch it back. Just drop in the chat down and just say, yeah, you guys gotta switch it back to the main screen. I can, not a problem. Not a problem. Oh, and thanks for whoever sent me this picture here. That's awesome. A bull smashing a bear over the head while he's busy. That was a good one. I've had that for a little bit now. I don't know if I put it up before, but I came across it last night when I was looking for some icons last night. Okay, I might bump this back. I think I am getting complaints here from not from YouTube, but from somebody else on Twitter. It's a little bit hard to see. We're just going to put it back on the normal screen, okay? And we are going to go to AMC. AMC. Am I going blind here? Okay. Why did you go to GameStop on me? There you go. I don't know what's with that thing. I don't know what's with that thing. I might have to switch a different, have a different scanner here. I like this scanner though. Weeble is what I'm using. It's not that bad. It's in real time, right? So, yeah, it's just fighting here. Just gonna see we drop below that threshold though again, right? Yeah, we did. We're about halfway. About halfway. Yeah, there's a lot of options expiring. I think it's today. There's a couple. Yeah, so that's helping too. Yeah, they're losing a lot of money. That they were not expecting that yesterday because that wouldn't have hit the news, right? Was it $20 billion? That's a lot of money. Holy crow! Like just a fraction of that. Okay, we're at 47 for volume right now. 47 million already, and we've already gone through almost 11%. How many more days do we got? We got till the 2nd, and then the news will come out. It'll probably take them a day or so to count those shares. I'm assuming, right? That is on AMC, Entertainment Holdings. They do, if you're new to the channel, they do have a vote coming up, a share count, for counting shares, because there is a lot of synthetic shares, which if you don't know what that means, it means fraudulent shares, black shares, ghost shares. It's all the same thing. It doesn't exist. What they do is when these hedge funds, when they're selling all this stuff in mass quantities, they slip a bunch in there. And I don't know how. They obviously don't monitor it that well, because that's kind of bogus. And it's not just one company. It's multiple people. Come on, phone. Come on, phone. Behave yourself. Okie dokie. Facebook. How you guys doing over there? Fine. Not that many people on Facebook today. More on here. But I guess what is it, Tuesday now? So yeah, a lot of people are probably working and stuff, eh? Yeah, I guess a lot of people are going back to work. One thing that I did, I know why AMC is going up too. Some part of the news is, I guess they're opening up more seating and stuff in the movie theater chain. They're because people that have had shots and stuff like that, things are starting to open up, and they're the seating capacities are the zonings and stuff. The temp zonings for these, we'll use AMC for instance. They're allowed more seating. Okay, which makes a huge substantial amount of difference. Okay. And a lot of people don't even know what AMC is. Unfortunately, it's sad, but a lot of people don't until they watch the news hour. Like I just had my grandma ask the other day, "Oh, did you hear about this AMC?" I'm like, "Yeah, grandma, that's what I was trying to tell you about 2 months ago." Right? But she doesn't understand this stuff at all. She just hears it on the news, right? But that's good. That's what we need, right? Because GME got a huge push on the news. Like it was on there almost every night. It was crazy. Bless everyone. Yeah, you guys, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, man, this is awesome. We got some dedicated people here every day. Good to see. Do you guys drop me a chat? Do you want something else? Do you want to watch something else on here? Let's talk. Let's chat. BB. Oh, look I got to jump over here, guys. Just because BlackBerry is it's a good one. BlackBerry is doing pretty good for a small I am actually going to BlackBerry, I like to, if you're using Webull trading platform, 1 minute is usually charts are for day traders. Just so you're aware of that. They usually 5 and 30 minute. The reason why I like 1 minute is because it's more consistent, right? You can actually see the volume movement, but it's more precise. But for things like BlackBerry that don't move, how much do they move? Probably 3% today. I bet. Yeah, not even 0.04. Okay, so that's the difference there. So I usually put it on a 5 minute chart, or else you're going to get a whole bunch of blotches all over the screen. I can understand it, but it's hard to see, and a lot of people don't. So I know they're under. When I check the pay, I know there's par. They're a little bit above par. Okay, so that's good to know. And they're above the VWAP. They're above the VWAP right now. Okie dokie. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, they don't have that much volume coming in, but yeah, see the volume for like right now they're in the K. They're at like a half a mil, just under a half a mil, which is low. But remember, the turtle wins the race. That's why we're doing good with AMC, because the turtle wins the race, guys. Always has. Always has. It makes for a long day. So I'm probably not going to come on at power hour. I don't know if you guys want me to. It's just that it's kind of in the morning, I think, is a little bit more. Well, power hour is important too, but you can always just Google that to find it. I don't know if you want me to cover it. I can come on for like a half an hour, maybe not the full hour. It's just that I'm putting out more videos than the average tuber. So my videos, I'm putting out 2 to 3 a day. I got to render them. I got to format them. There's a whole procedure. I got to make thumbnails, and I do work, and I do have a life and stuff. My wife was actually talking to me about it the other day, that I'm spending a little bit too much time in the office. So I respect that decision. I'm not going to shut anything down. It's just that I just got to balance it out, make it even. Make it even. Make it even, Steven. Right? So it won't jeopardize anything that we have going in, any commitment I've committed to you guys. It's just that I just got to spread it out more. That's all. That's all. That's all. And I got to get a chance to put that TV up too. It's sitting here. That 65-inch. And hopefully I don't get too much glare off it. That's one thing I'm worried about. Oh, it's one of my buddy's birthdays today. Just popped up on the side. Hey, Z-Man, how's it going, bud? If you're watching, I know you're not, because you're working like a little dog, which I should be doing too. He's a welder where I used to weld. He works in the shipyards. I won't mention where he works, but he works in the shipyards. As I used to work as a welder too for 15 years there. Not in the shipyard, but all over Canada. And I got hurt. I got in a bad motor vehicle accident. I was rear-ended really bad. Like, my whole neck is steel plates. You don't know if you've ever seen that scar there on the side, right here. But that's what it is. They had to go in there, emergency surgery, and I could barely even walk. And thank God I have a little bit of paralysis in my left arm a bit. That's why I have some issues. That's why you'll see me fumbling around. It is because I'm slightly retarded too, but it's mostly because of my injury, right? So I can relate to people that have injuries and stuff. It does damper the life. It's hard. Everything I do is a little bit harder, like especially typing. And I'll spell things backwards too. So that's because of my typing issues and a little bit of retardism, right? It happens when you get older. So yeah, enough about me. So anyways, yeah, that's happy birthday, brother. Keep it real, and I know you do. You're out there working for the man right now, and I'm sitting here doing this. So we're both paying major taxes. Major taxes. Oh, and I wanted to talk about when this thing gets going here. One thing I wanted to talk to you about is taxes. Okay, we got something coming in from Decord right here. No, not interested. Not interested in that. I'm not joining no crypto drive funds. Do not. Watch yourself, Wolfpack. I don't know if you get those messages. I've been getting a lot of them. A lot of them coming up just on feeds, like in the middle of nowhere, like that just popped up out of the middle of nowhere. To drive these crypto groups. I don't know if they're bad or good. I just heard on the news hour, and I got some messages about some people that got burned really good on them. They're pump and dumps, which is illegal, right? Depends on how the pump's done and how it's dumped. If it's a person going in that's rich and they buy something that drives the price up naturally, and you sell off at the end of the day, you're allowed to do that, okay? But you're not allowed to core guide together and attack something. Okay, that's not the right way to do it. I know it happens. We are doing it the same on this, but it's done in a very classy way. Okay, we are not banding together and pumping a stock. We love this stock. It's a lot of us watch movies and stuff, so it's legit, right? It is legit. It's legit stuff. Okay, we're bouncing at 1408. It's fighting like hell today. So you have to remember, they're trying everything they can. They are trying ladder attacks. They are speed trading back and forth, which is a ladder attack pretty much. They are trading so fast back and forth, but the volume is coming in, and what it does is it messes with us a bit. But as soon as that share count, this thing's going to go patoom, gone to the moon. To the moon. Like I said, I did a short video last night. I said, guys, I already got the rocket ready. It's sitting there ready for you guys, man. It'll be right. It's right here in my yard. It's all fueled up, man, ready to go. Right? I already got my bags packed. So as soon as you get that SOS, that we're in a squeeze, it'll be a squeeze. It could be a gamma squeeze, but I'll list that, right? Because gamma squeeze can turn into a full squeeze, right? Just so you guys know that. And should get some music playing here. Forget some elevator music for you guys, eh? Nah, we'll pass on that. Like I said, I tried some music before, but I got a warning from YouTube for a copy infringement. I guess they didn't like me playing music in the background. It was copyrighted music. I just thought if I had it low enough that nobody could even be able to hear it. But yeah, the computer picked it up right away. Right away. Actually, I do have some music to hear. Just bear with me for a minute, guys. I'm just going to try something here. I got something I think I got here from a while ago. I just got to go into my computer here. There it is right there. This might be a little bit loud. I don't know. I'll turn this down a bit. We'll see if it works. I don't know if you'll get feedback on that. If you guys can hear that. Even if I mute it, I think you should still be able to hear it. Tell me if you can still hear that on mute. It might be really loud. I don't know if it's overpowering my voice, but YouTube might have a hissy fit and try to kick me out, give me a copy strike. But it's actually one of their things. I'll just have to write them a letter back saying, hey, guys, relax, relax. Okay, we're at par right now. We are at par. It's like a flashing light here. Red, green, white, red, green, white. It's like you're getting pulled over the cops or something. Holy crow, it's just fighting. Yeah, that's good, man. Like, look at the friggin' orders coming in. There's a lot of people taking out money out of the banks and stuff. I'm just watch what you guys do. Okay, I know I sound like a preacher on here, but I just care for you guys, man. I don't like to say, I try to be a good person, right? I don't want to see people get screwed, right? That's what this is all about. This movement here that we're trying to do, right? Or that we are doing. We're not trying to do anything. Okay, we're back into the green again. See, that didn't take long. And I'm just going to check these numbers out here. Okay, we did have a bit of 3 million. Those are big chunks. Wow. Compared to like last month. It was like 100, 200,000. Now they're in the mills. We had 3 million, 3.5 mil. 2 mil. So there's 5. 9 million shares dumped. But we don't know if that's dumped. Like, I don't believe these charts. Like, of course I believe that I like the platform itself, but the numbers, it just doesn't make sense, right? I think there's a little bit more going on, and I know you guys know that too, right? Behind the scenes. Oh, it is at a crossover. We just had a crossover. The M8 is crossed to the EMA. Actually, I want to check something. Oh, it just bounced off the 70. Bounced off the 70. Now we're going down. We're at about 50 right now. 49.7 on the RSI. There we go. We just flatlined that. If you want to look over to the order book, we just flatlined it, guys. We totally overpowered their side. Okay? That's going to take a little bit to register, but it'll start coming up. We got way more buys right now coming in. Well, yeah, they're about 11. We've got a couple ahead of us, the little chunks of sell-offs, but oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We've got some movement coming in now. That just switched. Blow that up there. See, I got to get some different colors here. I got to get that red or that blue and purple is not working with me right now. It's totally screwing my eyeballs around. I just got these new Prada glasses. I don't know if you guys wear glasses, but I know Prada seems to be all right. They're expensive though. It's like $700 for these friggin' things. My union paid for 300 of it, 350 actually. But here nor there, it's such a ripoff. Such a ripoff. And I don't wear glasses. I don't wear contacts when I don't have my glasses on. I don't wear contacts, right? I know I look like geeky as heck, but it is what it is. I was having problems there the other day, and I know it was pissing some people off, probably because it was pissing me off. No music. Christy, how's it going? KS, more money in the house. Okay, no music. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to have to fix that, I think, and get that set up. I can turn it on like that on background. It's just that I might be getting a back feed now. I don't know if you just tell me if you can hear that without it echoing. Because what happens, it might... here, I can check it out too. Okay. So we'll just set this up. AMC is sitting at 1378 right now. And... it's at, it's at 0.97 in the red. I don't know if you just tell me if you can hear that without it echoing. Because what happens, it might, we'll set this up. AMC is saying it is fine. We got a good feed here. And I've only dropped 23 frames. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'll stop messing with this. I'll stop messing with the shit. Okay. Vivi. Oh. I gotta turn my volume down here. Okay. So anyways, it's a little bit better than elevator music. Watch, I'll get a copy strike probably by the end of this, but I'll straighten it out. It's just, it's their music. The only one I could find, like, half the stuff is pretty lame. Pretty lame. I could put some tech music on there, but I'm a little bit early for tech music doing the rave here, right? First thing in the morning, popping some ecstasy and watching the chart here. I'm just totally joking on that one, okay? Drugs are not good. So we're at $13.78. We're in the minus 1.25, and we're just bouncing. We are bouncing. Wow, we got a lot of people on. We got a handful of people on YouTube, and same with Twit. The Twit going on. The Twitski, eh? A lot of people will use that. I never used to use that before I started my channel here. Like, it's I guess it's very popular. I just really didn't understand it, I guess, right? Being a silver wolf here, right? Silverback, being older. I guess I'm not that old. Well, maybe I am compared to who, right? But yeah. It's pretty handy. The Instagram, I still haven't really figured that out yet. I do have an Instagram account. I do check it daily. So if you guys do drop me a line there, right? I will answer, right? I do answer it, but my videos are too long, it's saying, for it. So you got to shoot these like 30-second clips. And like, how do you do that? This is the stock. It's at 13, and that's it. Like, what the heck? What the point is that? And to put a link in there, they don't like that stuff, right? So, and this is nicotine. It is nicotine. Trust me. I was gonna One day we should at Power Hour. I'll go. We should drink a 6-pack together. I was talking about that yesterday, right? Okay, I'm gonna go over and I'm just Reddit. I got somebody on Reddit wants me to check out BlackBerry's on a bit of a go here, so we're gonna check out some BB right out of Canada. Oh yeah, it is going pretty good today. Yeah, I don't even know. Here, I'm gonna log on to my bank. I don't even know what I know I own BlackBerry, but I don't even know what I bought it at. Like, just give me a second here, guys. I do want to check my traders accounts. And I'll even show you that I'm -2, okay? Because I'm transparent on this channel. I don't hide stuff, okay? I'm just not going to get into things with other channels, but it's all about being fair with somebody. It's the stock market is gambling, and it is designed for you to lose money, okay? Everybody, you know that, right? It is designed for the house to win. Same as in the casino, okay? They don't want you to win. Okay, dokie, dokie. We'll see what account it is. And I just wanted to tell it up here, and I think down in the States, the TFSA account, you can do trading. You get a trader's account, and you can use that for trading in, okay? And that account, you can actually, you can use it as, you don't have to pay taxes on it until you take the money actually out. Okay, so if you want to use it as a tax break, you can use it and then keep on flipping, buying stocks like that. So we're going to find out where BB is here. BlackBerry right here. I'm still down $2,000. I'm still down 54%. Ouch. See, I told you I bought it high, but I'm okay with that because I know this stock. Here, I'll show you right here because I'm very transparent. There's none of my account information on there. I'm just double checking. No, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there you go. I'm being very transparent. Okay. So that's BB, ticker symbol. I own 200 shares in it. I did pay $23 for it. No, did I? I must have, because this won't lie. Okay, I'm sorry, I correct that. I said I was at 14. So yeah, I'm still down. I bought $5,000 worth. I'm just down over half, which I'm okay with, okay? Because I know that this is a good stock to buy. And I'm just going to go over to AMC here. This is just one of my lots, okay? So just find out, U.S. cash. The U.S. cash fund. Okay, I'm still minus, remember what we said, I bought it $14? Okay, so let's go back to AMC here, guys. Okay, remember I said that I bought at $14, that I would be a little bit behind? Okay, here's my trader's account. Oh yeah, my account. That doesn't matter, whatever. So I'm just going to cover up my account information. But there you go. Can you see that? Oops, it didn't work. Didn't work. Sorry, my fault. It doesn't matter. Really. What did I do now? Okay, U.S. cash. $10,000 right there. Okay. And it says AMC right below it. I'm still minus $555. But I was down to only $3,000, and I think a majority of people were too. Okay. So that is where I'm at with that. So that's why I like being transparent on here. Okay. So don't feel bad if you still haven't made money. Another one of our accounts, we put, what was it? A little project. That's actually Wolfpack's money. I bought in at $8.23. I just checked it this morning, and we've actually doubled our money. Or no, we made 50% already as of yesterday. So we're down a little bit now. So if this, even right now today, if this stays like this, it's still fine. Like we have to have some red days, guys. We have to have days for consolidation. Okay, and this is just the tip of the iceberg here. I'm very confident it's going to go back into the green, though. Very confident. Here comes the sun. The sun is coming out. At this time, we prefer your knowledge. Have no rain. That's awesome. Right on. Right on. So what are we, oh, we've already gone over half an hour. So this is about normal. Remember when now is the time, like if I was going to buy some shares, now is the time I'd buy, right now. This is when I was telling you that when the market opens, that after everything sells off from these trading platforms, that it levels out, right? The market will find its own medium, right? So that's what I'm talking about. Like today is a buy. This is a dip. This is a dip. If you didn't know, this is called a dip. Okay, I know majority of people know that, but this is the learning channel here. So okay. Wow, GME too has done a bit of a, see, these things run together. Is down too, but I got this, put it back on the 1 minute chart here. So yeah, I'll bring this up for you. There you go. So yeah, we're getting a bit of a sell here too, a little bit of sell off, but not much. See, there's not that much volume. These shares are really expensive. That's why there's they don't go through much volume. Like they've only gone through 1.44 mil right now, right? Which that can change. I don't know. Somebody from the States, did you want me to, do you want to give me some information when, yeah, are you on there, VV? I think, what, you're from California, aren't you? When would you guys get your stimulus checks? Like, did the stim checks come into the economy yet? Or, yeah, answer that one, and then I got another question for you. If you're still on. I know you're all over the place there. I know you're a busy person. But, yeah, I don't know anything about CERB checks because I don't get them. Like, I don't, right? I never got one. I made too much money last year. That's the thing with the Canadian government, is not everybody gets it. I don't know about the States, but you have to meet the criteria, which is a bunch of BS. I don't think that's fair. I think everybody should get it, right? Because even if you do have money, why should you expect to go through your money just to survive? Like, that's crap. Like, that's why we have these emergency funds. No music. Okay. So I'm just checking some news here, guys. I like to keep you guys up on it a bit. And it is getting bright out. That's a problem. The background noise, it's not that bad today, but living by this road here, I don't really like it. It's not good. It's not good. Okay. Oh, back over to AMC. I'm getting a flash here from Facebook. Yeah, it is down. Somebody's saying it's having a bit of a sell-off here, which it is what it is. It is what it is. I've lost about $400 right now with that 2%. Well, no, I'll figure that out. That's not wrong, or that's wrong. So 2% of $2,000 would be $20, $30 down, 30, $40 down in that one trader's account. The other one, probably about $200 right now down. That's how fast it can trade. That's how fast it can trade. But it also can go back up. And I'm okay with that, right? Okay, we're still pounding through the volume here. Wow, that's crazy. We're at volume right here is at 67.73 million. And the average, because they've changed, this is only 93.5 million in 3 months. So yeah, we've already overturned 15.0% of the whole company. Okay, the whole lot of shares that they have on the market. And for people that aren't familiar with this and they're just jumping on in here, the 52-week high for this company, AMC, was $20.36. Okay. And I'm not going to be on here much longer. I'm going to wrap this up. And I'm going to let you guys get on with the rest of your day. all I was wanting to do was share some news like I do in the morning, and I'll have some more news for you tomorrow if anything comes out. And what I will do is I will come on here and broadcast it for you, and we'll cover the market 5 minutes before the market opens. I will be on here just like clockwork. And then when I'm back to work, I think I'll be back to work next week. What I'll do is I'm going to be on a little earlier. I got to get out of the house, I think, by 6 o'clock in the morning. So what I will do is I'll shoot a podcast for about 20 minutes in the morning. We'll go through what the market looks like before market open, and then I'll leave you guys to get on with your day. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for joining CS Trades 101, and you guys keep it real, Wolfpack. We're doing good. Even though this is in the red, remember, you don't take trading to heart, okay? A lot of traders will get up and walk away and only check it 4 times a day because you don't want emotions attached to this. This is classed as a business. That's where you got to look at this, okay? If you let your emotions get involved in your trading and making decisions, the chances are you're going to make some wrong decisions, okay? So anyways, yeah, I'll just leave that with you today. And if you want to make yourself $10, down below in the description, you can use wealthsimpletrades.com. Okay, it's a trading platform. To activate voucher on the bottom, you got to put more than $100 in and make yourself $10 free Canadian. And if you want to contact me, I got Twitter and Instagram. So you guys keep it real, and I'll see you at 6:25 tomorrow morning Pacific Standard Time, and on the East Coast it would be 9:25. Okay, take her easy. Over and out.